A reboot loop occurs when your BT Smart Hub repeatedly restarts without fully stabilizing. This prevents the device from operating normally. Common causes include firmware issues, hardware problems, and network interference. These factors disrupt the hub's normal operation. Although reboot loops are now less frequent due to firmware updates, they still affect 5 to 10% of users and are often linked to external factors like power surges or ISP outages. Here's what a BT Smart Hub looks like, along with steps that might be needed to address the issue and a table showing how loops can affect Wi-Fi speeds. First, ensure your Smart Hub has adequate power. Use the BT-approved adapter rated at 12 volts and 1.5 amps for Hub 2. A poor power supply can cause memory corruption, forcing the hub to reboot. Overheating is a common cause of reboot loops, so place the hub in a cool, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight or enclosed spaces. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent overheating. Try a soft reset first. Unplug the hub for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary issues without losing settings. If the problem persists, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 30 seconds. Note that a factory reset will erase your custom settings, so write down any custom configurations you need before doing so. This resets configurations that may be causing the issue. Outdated or corrupted firmware often causes reboot loops in BT Smart Hubs. To check and update, access your hub's settings through a web browser using the address 192.168.1.254. Look for the firmware section to check for updates. BT has released v22.3.1 for Smart Hub 2 and 3 in October 2025, addressing many reboot issues. However, if an update fails midway, it can trigger a loop, so ensure stable power during the process. Network interference from Wi-Fi congestion or Ethernet faults can cause connectivity issues leading to hub resets. Multiple networks competing on the same or overlapping channels create interference. Faulty Ethernet cables can also disrupt connections. To check for channel interference, use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app on your mobile device. This shows nearby networks, their channels, and signal strengths. Look for congested channels and switch your hub to a less crowded one in the router settings. To rule out device conflicts, disconnect non-essential devices. Too many connected gadgets, especially smart home devices, can overload the hub's processor and cause resets. Test with fewer devices connected. BT introduced the Smart Hub Health Check app in 2025. This app allows you to diagnose reboot loop issues remotely from your mobile device. It identifies common problems and suggests targeted solutions, providing an easy-to-use interface for troubleshooting. The app features include identifying network issues, suggesting fixes, and guiding you through troubleshooting steps you may already know. Here's what the app interface looks like. It shows your hub's status and connection details. The app may prompt you with steps we've already covered, or perform automated internal tests to pinpoint the issue. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the reboot loop, consider these advanced solutions. Some users have found success with custom cooling solutions for older hubs, such as adding heat sinks or improving ventilation to prevent overheating. However, be aware that installing custom firmware like OPABRT can void your warranty and may introduce security risks. For power surge protection, connect your hub to a quality surge protector to prevent electrical incidents that can cause reboot loops. Finally, visit BT's community forums to find specific advice for your hub model from other users who have faced similar issues. If the reboot loop persists after trying all troubleshooting steps, it's likely a hardware issue. Contact BT support for hardware replacement under warranty. Provide them with details of the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Expert opinions show that 30% of reboot loops are firmware related, and a 50% drop in support calls are expected by 2030 as AI integration matures.